Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. Today I'm going to show you guys this really cool little blow-up mattress. So as you guys can see, it comes very well packaged. This is going to be ideal for setting up a bedroom. You guys can probably hear the echo in here because I am in an empty bedroom, but we're going to fill it with a few things, including this blow-up mattress that you guys see here. So let's start off with everything that comes in the package. It comes really nicely packaged, ready to go. Inside, you're going to find the actual mattress itself. So let's just go ahead and get that open. All right, guys, as you can see here, it comes with some documentation. Looks like it also comes with a couple of repair leak kits in case there's a puncture. That's pretty cool. All right, so let's fold this out all the way first. All right, guys, there is the mattress completely unfolded, as you guys see here. So let's take a look at what it takes to actually inflate this mattress. So I want you guys to see you have an automatic system for inflating the mattress. You guys can see that. The cord just comes out right here, and you'll be able to turn this on and off. So we're just going to plug this guy in, and let's just get it started. All right, guys, there you have it. As you guys can see here, this bed is now completely inflated. It was a very simple process. It has the air pump built into it. I just have it plugged in right here in the wall, and I think this is ready for guests. So if you're looking for a quick, easy to deploy air mattress that can be somewhat of a permanent feature in your home, this could be exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.